Problem two. Similar to number one, we have a circle. We have two secants, right? Two segments that go through the circle, and they're meeting outside to form an angle. All right, and we know based on that theorem, based on our lesson today, that outside angle, all right, this 25 degrees, it comes from taking this big arc, right, the intercepted arc, and subtracting it from this little arc. And then we're going to average the difference, right? That outside angle is the average of the difference of the intercepted arcs. So if we substitute into our true equation, it's going to say, well, that outside angle is 25. So I know that 25 comes from this big arc, 110, take away this little arc, which we don't know, which is what we're looking for. And I know I'm doing the difference of the average, so I have to divide by 2. Well, I could, multiply both sides by 2, or if you prefer, cross multiply. This becomes 50, and then 1 times anything is that thing, so 110 minus x. Well, sure, I'll do it that way. Subtract 110 from both sides, minus 110. Let me take out my handy dandy calculator. Turn it on. Is it going to go on? Nope, I got to reset it. Okay. We have 50, take away 110. Negative 60, huh? How could that be? Negative 60. All right, well, that's that. Let me bring down that equal sign. Oh, it's negative. It's a negative 60, that arc, because this is a negative x. I have to get rid of that negative by dividing by a negative 1. All right? That's how I'm going to get x equals 60. This little arc is 60 degrees. And we could check that by, let's verify. If I subtract my big arc, 110, if I subtract from it my little arc, 60, and I divide by 2, what will that give me? Well, 110 minus 60 is 50. 50 over 2 is, in fact, 25, that outside angle. So in this case, x equals 60.